Hey, just wanted to do a quick video just to show that two 10-inch subs can fit underneath the seats of a Ram 1500. I noticed on YouTube there wasn't too many videos of it. Just a quick rundown of it. They're two P10s, 10-inch, full size. Didn't have to shim the seats or anything, it just fits right in there. And the seats still go down flush. Although I would recommend getting grills, as they will make contact with the top of the seat. And yeah, so I guess the specs of it. So they're two P10s, full-size subs, and they run about 225 to 450 RMS for each sub. That's what Crutchfield recommends, the amp. And I'm running an 800 RMS Diamond Audio. And this is just a normal D-box sub box. It's not ported. And honest opinion, I'm not too impressed with it. I wouldn't recommend this setup if, I would recommend this setup if you had like kids and you need the back seat. But if that doesn't bother you, I would just go to a full ported setup, as if you're a bass head, it's probably not going to be enough for you. But anyways, that's just my opinion. Some people, you can always up the RMS to get a bigger capacity sub. But yeah, I just wanted to give a quick video showing that it works. And yeah, see you later.